Today I'm traveling from Vancouver to Tokyo with JL economy class. And I'm at Vancouver airport, and today I'm very excited to fly JL economy class. It is one of the best rated economy class in the world, and I'm totally excited about it. Now I'm walking toward the D gate, which is the international departure at Vancouver. Now I'm at the Skyteam lounge at Vancouver at the Noodle bar, so I want to order the wonton noodle plus the fish ball, which is the mix, and I want the pop dumplings as well as the vegetable dumplings. Of course, I want a BC cider as well. And this time I'm flying with Boeing 767-300 and at gate D72. And the number is JL17, Vancouver to Tokyo, Narita. So now I'm going to board. Seated on the 19A. It's supposed to be a window seat, but unfortunately there's no window design. But there's tons of leg room for economy class, and I'm kind of surprised. And the screen is great compared to WestJet and Canada, and on top of it, it has a nice headphone, a pillow, which is very well designed, and I just dropped my blanket on the floor. I like how JL designed the tray, and it's a two-step system, and no matter what position you are in, you can always have a slot to put your drinks. I like that how they attention to the details. There's news on board, and I'm actually sitting on a window seat without window at home, unfortunately. Note to myself, no, don't pick 19A next time. I'm quite impressed with the drink menu that's for economy class, and they have hot and cold green tea, and this computer graphics safety video is quite nice. I think they put a lot of time on it, and I'm pretty impressed. I think overall the video is nicely done. I think it's quite nice. And I'm trying out to navigate on the entertainment system. They have quite a lot of movies from Hollywood, Chinese, Korean, Japanese. It's quite extensive, the list, and I'm quite impressed too for economy class. I guess what I like the most is they have BBC and NHK news available on board, and which is quite decent. So I'm navigating with the map system, the map navigation, and it tells you exactly where the plane is and the flight path, and I think it's quite good. after takeoff, then they have a drink service, and I got a beer and Japanese rice cracker, which is quite nice. And the laboratory is quite clean, and it's quite basic, but this for economy class I think is quite decent. And on top of that, I noticed they have toothbrush as well, which is pretty good. After that, lunch is served, and I find it is quite impressive. I think it's better than most airline premium economy or even business class. So they have fruit salad, salami, coleslaw, pork rice and cabbage, and miso soup, and they have another drink service as well. But I haven't finished my beer yet. There's cantaloupe and melon, salami with coleslaw, and Soba noodle with the dressing as well. Quite good. And they have Mario Gelato. I think this is the same brand that's being served in Air Canada business class. So I have water, green tea, and beer, and ice cream. Middle of the flight, they have tons of snacks available, and I'm quite impressed, to be honest. For economy class, look at how cute the snacks are. After a few hours sleep, then there's arrival meal is served. There's miso soup, fruits, and yogurt, and a green tea. Actually, it's a cold green tea, and they have a cheese panini with tuna. Now I arrived at Tokyo, and the JL economy class totally deserves to be one of the best in the world. I love the food, drinks, service, and amenities provided, and the level of attention to detail that make your flight experience a lot more enjoyable. It is totally deserved the Star Trek's 5-star airline. I will 100% fly JL again in the future. And thank you for watching.